Hi guys, welcome to EIKV and this is Vishnu. So in this illustration, Badpass company, we have given the details of Badpass company and they have asked us to calculate ALTMANS Z-score method. So ALTMANS Z-score method is a risk prediction method. It is calculated by doing some kind of ratios. Some ratios will be given and we need to implement that ratios into a formula, and we need to compute the final answer, and we need to check that answer with another string, and then we'll get the answer. So that is ALTMANS Z-score method. So we have given the details of working capital to total asset as 25%, retained earnings to total assets 30%, earnings before tax to total asset 15%, market value of equity divided by book value of equity 150%, and sales to total asset 2 times. So these details are given. So now we are going to compute the ALTMANS Z-score method. Therefore, as per the ALTMANS risk prediction method, we have a formula Z is equal to, or Z-score is equal to, Z-score is equal to 1.2 x1 plus 1.4 x2 plus 3.3 x3 plus 0.6 x4 plus 1 x5. So this is the formula of ALTMANS model. You need to study this formula as well as the ratio formula. So Z1 is working capital divided by total asset, Z2 is retained earnings divided by total asset, X3 is equal to, so X1 is equal to working capital divided by total asset, X2 is equal to retained earnings divided by total asset, X3 is equal to earnings before tax, interest and tax divided by total asset, X4 is equal to market value of equity divided by book value of debt, and X5 is equal to sales divided by total asset. So these are the X1. So we need to substitute the ratios of these figures into this formula, Z-score formula. So the formula will be 1.25x 1.2x into 25 and 1.4 into 30%, 3.3 into 15%, and 0.6 into 150%, and 1 into 2. So when we calculate that formula, or when we convert that formula, or when we reduce that formula, we will get 0.30 plus 0.42 plus 0.49 plus 0.90 plus 2, and when we take the sum we will get 4.115. so the ultimate answer will be, as value generated is more than 2.99, it can be strongly predicted that the company is not bankrupt. So in this illustration, our Badpass company is not bankrupt. So I will show you how to check those things. I mean how this 2.99 matters. So this is the table. This is the criteria which we need to check whether the company is bankrupt or not. So the final answer Z-score is less than 1.88 or less than 1.88 to 1.88, then the company will be bankrupt. If the Z-score is between 1.8 to 2.99, then it is in gray zone or likely to be bankrupt. If the figure or the final answer or Z-score is more than 2.99, then the company is not bankrupt or company is in safe zone. So guys, I hope you got a clear and complete clarification regarding ALTMANS method. So thanks for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel.